A video on these fancy mangoes that I treat myself to. So I was in the supermarket and they're selling, it's the season for expensive, really good mangoes. I've only ever had regular mangoes from the supermarket. These are extra special ones. These were, how many did I buy? I've given some away. I've seen my mum today and I've seen friends as well, so I've given 4 away. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 12 in a box. It cost me $15.99. So they were expensive. Well, maybe not actually. You kind of go like £1 and a bit each. £1 and a bit each. So they're not that expensive compared to other mangoes. Probably £1 for a mango, isn't it? But the girls in the shop assured me that they are exceedingly good quality. There was cheaper ones, but she said these are the ones to eat for her, what she thought were the best ones. So I've given so I gave one to my mum. I don't know if she'll eat it, and then I gave some to friends. My friend's a wood turner and we've had a tree chopped down. It's an old elm tree. Unfortunately it's caught Dutch elm disease, so it's had to be cut down, but it had lots of interesting knots and burrs in it. So my friend the wood turner has been down and picked out all the bits from the tree that he wanted for wood turning, and then so I popped in to see him, see what bits he got, see if he got some bits that are worthwhile, and obviously kind of thought, oh well, I'll give him some mangoes because I'm not going to eat 12 mangoes all by myself, am I? So yeah, and his wife and his son, well, stepson. So what does it taste like? That's delicious. That's lovely. It's fragrant and it's sweet. It's much more intense than a regular mango. It tastes like, so if you eat a peach tastes a certain way. Now, but then if you get a tin peaches somehow, even though they taste more peachy than a peach. And that's how they taste. They taste more mangoey than a regular mango. That's delicious, isn't that? I can see why they are that price. Wow. The only problem now is every mango I eat in the future, I'm going to compare it to that. So, are they worth it? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Get yourself to the supermarket and buy yourself some fancy mangoes. Ask the people in the shop which ones they recommend, which ones they eat at home, but go out and get yourself some fancy mangoes. That's delicious, is that? A success.